Morning. We are on day 3, Snowmageddon. We reduced our heater size, and today being the coldest day, we can tell, but we're using less propane, and we're okay. We're camping in the living room, and we've come up with what the Europeans use, and I've seen it on Facebook, but I've seen it years ago in Europe. Regular crock pot made of crockery. The candles providing heat under it. I'm actually using it as a warmer. It's about, 80 degrees maybe? I mean, it's not just burning up hot. But I'm warming up biscuits and Pop-Tarts on the top of it right now. Well, I won't leave them there long, just enough to warm them. We're gonna survive this. It's 13 degrees. Ice has been on the ground for 3 days. It's cold. We're gonna make it. All right.